Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to easily remove unwanted objects, text, and people from your photos using pixelcut.ai. With pixelcut.ai, you can quickly and easily clean up your photos, enhance them with professional effects, and create stunning visuals all in one place. How to remove unwanted elements with pixelcut.ai. Open pixelcut.ai and navigate to the Magic Eraser tool. Upload your image by clicking the Upload button. Use the brush tool to mark all the areas you want to remove. This can be objects, text, or even people. Once you're done marking, click Apply Magic Eraser. In just a few moments, the unwanted parts will vanish. But that's not all. For further editing, click Open Editor for more advanced features. Here, you can remove or replace backgrounds, crop or upscale images, apply a variety of filters to make your photos stand out. For example, I'll select a filter to make my image pop. You can also adjust the border properties, corner radius, and blur effects. Two types of blur are available, Gaussian and motion blur. I'll choose motion blur to give my image a dynamic feel, but you can experiment with both to suit your style. Once you're happy with your edits, simply download your polished image in seconds. Let's take a look at our final image. And remember, you can achieve these results just as easily by following the same steps. That's all for today. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.